Good morning. So today we leave for London. I'm getting packed right now. It's gonna be really fun because I'm gonna go with Pixi and I'm going with Sophie. So we're gonna have a really good time, and I thought I'd document this trip for you guys because it is my first time to the Londons. Let me give you guys a look into my suitcase. So I'm bringing a carry-on. The carry-on is pretty much so that I can be mostly hands-free. I don't want to be wearing a backpack where it's just weighing me down. So this is where I will keep my laptop. I brought a blanket here for the flight, and then here are some chargers, and then this is my actual luggage where all my things are. So I have all my clothes for 4 days right here. That is all I have. In here is all my makeup and some skincare. Here is a little bit more skincare. Gotta make sure you take care of your skin when you're traveling, you know, because I tend to break out. Just want to make sure I have everything I need. And here I have my purse, and then in that baggie, 2 pairs of shoes. Here's another bag to wear during the trip and a little fanny pack. What is it? What is it?
10 months.
10 months? It looks a little more like about 4.
Really?
Yeah, okay, do me.
Oh, that really hurts my head.
Probably.
Come on.
What do I have?
Give me more.
This is all I have.
No, push it. Bitch, you like 2 weeks. Get out of here.
I'm really full, you guys.
There? They gotta see the size.
You're just good at pushing it. Wow. No, you look about 4. No, 2 to 4. We definitely ate too much. So when we first sat down, we're like, oh my god, I'm so hungry, I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna save my stomach because we're gonna eat again on the plane. Because we love eating on the plane. Sophie and I do not miss a meal on the plane. We're gonna pack up our stuff, and then we're gonna walk around the airport for an hour to digest this.
And then eat some more.
And then eat more on the plane. We are so full, but look what we got. So good. Oh, and check out her glossy lips. She was not playing with the free sample. I really wasn't. She was like, ooh, I like this. And she just started slathering it on. And, you know, I used a little tiny bit. No, I went. But I'm like, you want to make sure you're moisturized till tomorrow. First thing you gotta do every time I travel anywhere, the first thing I do once I check in is just get on the Wi-Fi, let everybody know I made it. Anyone else do that? I always have to do that, like first things first. We just ordered room service. Oh, so excited. We haven't really eaten at all today. We had like a small breakfast on the plane. I actually didn't really eat because it was like a meat platter.
Wasn't that great?
Yeah, so I just had half a boiled egg and
some bread.
Like a bread.
Cheese, and then the rest is meat.
Yeah, so wow, we haven't eaten all day and we're watching
Demi Lovato.
Demi Lovato. Yeah, it's her documentary. I think it's old, but I haven't seen it yet, so. After we ate dinner, we were watching the documentary, as you guys saw, and I just knocked out. Like, I don't even know how I knocked out. I was laying down, and when I woke up, I was like, what just happened? Like, how? I mean, I thought I was up. You know, after I woke up, this one was like, I want dessert, and without hesitation, I said yes.
No, you forgot the part where she opened her eyes and the first thing she did was grab a fry. Literally.
This is like a chocolate mousse.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, and then we have 3
strawberry sorbet,
scoops of like
coconut, vanilla.
Oh, vanilla.
And I wish we had a cake.
And then now we're watching Jackie's foundation review.
Ooh. Do I choose between sausage or bacon?
We're so
I'm sorry?
Sophie woke up at 3 a.m.
Is that the type of bacon?
And we're gonna order breakfast now. It's like almost.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
Good morning. Our breakfast is here. We just got some yummy food. We have waffles, eggs, hash brown. Sophie has like sausages. Got some orange juice, coffee, and fruit. I did not expect the fruit to be like that big of a platter. I thought it was gonna be like a little cup, but they gave us a lot. This is my absolute favorite thing in the morning. Thought you guys should know. I either like to put on Bub's vlogs or Judy's vlog, and I just get so carried away. Oh, actually, I like to put on Siwinzi as well. That's like my favorite 3 things to watch for breakfast. Food, by the way, is so good. These waffles, oh my goodness, so good. The melons are so fresh. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Just want to show you guys my new favorite travel makeup bag. I just got this in the mail, and it is from my girl, Melissa Michelle. This is her second collab with Ulta Beauty. Last year she came out with a palette and I think like a blush and highlighter thing, and she did the same thing this time around too. There was like a blush and highlighter palette, but I just took that one out, and this is what it looks like. Are you ready? Girl, it is so pretty. When I saw it, I was like, do you see that shimmer? Wow, look at this shimmer right here on the top right. That is my jam.
Is that eyeshadow?
I think so.
Like fast, yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty. Congrats, Melissa. And this bag is so functioning. I love it. So you have like this big pocket. This is where I'm keeping like my palettes, my powders and stuff like that. And I love, love, love this part. You put your brushes here. So I got my favorite e.l.f. brushes right here. And then just more compartments. I just really like how it's laid out. And once you fold it down, it's just so flat. There. Okay, you stay there. Yes, I'm coming. We're just here to clean up our stuff.
How was the breakfast so far?
Delicious.
So good.
So I just finished with my makeup, and can I just say, today's getting ready was by far one of my favorite getting ready mornings, because first of all, we have a lot of time. So Sophie and I have just been chatting it up, talking about everything, and just taking our sweet old time with getting ready. But today I actually took my time, make sure everything is blended. My eyebrows are symmetrical. Wow. Can I just have a non-humble moment and say, bitch, you're looking good today. Okay. Babe, are you seeing this? I mean, this is the potential I could reach. Just, my highlight is on point. My lashes are on point. And Melissa, you killed it with this eyeshadow palette. Yes. If you guys love like these purpley tones, this is your palette. We just went out and shot first outfit since we've been here. It went really well. We came out at a great time because it's not too hot yet. We're gonna probably rest a little bit before we head out for the day. We're gonna have a pretty eventful, fun day. We're going to Liberty London, and then I think we're gonna have tea time, which I'm so excited about. I love tea time. Like, if there's one thing I enjoy doing, it is tea time. We just made it to the cutest tea service. Look at this place. I love the music, the architecture. So happy to be here. I am so ready to eat, you guys. We had breakfast at like 6 a.m. so it's been quite a while. So we are ready to eat. We just got some sandwiches on the cutest plates. Have a cucumber sandwich. Hey, we're back in the hotel. Feeling a little delusional. We had some strong ass tea, okay, at the tea party. The strongest tea Sophie and I have ever had. And then I think maybe 20 minutes later, it hit me. Woo, girl, but we walked it off. We decided instead of like taking a cab, we walked, and I feel a lot better. Today was a very, very sweaty day. I was sweating. Really proud of us today. You shot 3 outfits. I feel like I'm still trying to collect myself.
I work for Pixi, and that's my dear mother Petra.
He works for me.
So I just wanted to say thank you for coming, everybody. I don't know if you guys know the history here, but this is the Ivy, and it was created, I think, in 1917.
So right now we have our appetizer. This is the salmon poke. Put it on the little chip. I'm gonna be full off of just this. The cracker just blew my eyes. Oh my god. When I bit this, it just split and flew in my eye. Oh my god. I'm crying. I'm crying.
This is all my fault. You're all here and all these products, and you know, I love you all for coming, and I love hearing who everybody is as well. I'm getting to know a lot of new people, which is great. Fun fact is, I think about 22 years ago, I borrowed 20,000 pounds from Tony, my husband, to start Pixi. And I decided to pay back in 1 year, which I did.
Get it, girl. We're really old ladies and young ladies' bodies. So tired. Our necks hurt. My neck hurts so bad. It's just been a day. We've been up since, well, I've been up since 3 a.m. Alright, this lighting is real funky, but I just got my dinner. This is a vegetarian risotto. I'm very excited to have this. We just got our breakfast delivered. So we were supposed to go to the Hampton Court this morning. But I think the weather...
Now we have a free day, bitch.
I don't know why it got canceled. So I think it could be because it's raining outside. Or it could be because everybody else went partying last night besides us two.
Real though.
We are very, 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 very excited that we kind of have like a free morning in. So we just kind of enjoy ourselves, maybe like go explore some like local places. Oh my gosh, you guys, so we saw these bikes just right outside of our hotel, and we just decided to ask if we can ride them, and he said we could, so we're gonna take it out for a little ride. So this was probably the highlight of our London trip. Just getting on these bikes was so fun, but at first we went on this big street that was probably not the best idea because it was really busy and it's our first time biking here. But we made it through, and now we're just kind of like walking our bikes. We're like on foot, trying to find like a cute cafe. We're like really thirsty. But yeah, this is really fun. I got so many photos of just these really, really cute streets. I mean, look at this. I think that might be like a train station. So we just got to lunch. We're at the River Cafe, super cute place. Pixi just gave us a little present. Also, in case you guys are wondering, this necklace that I have been wearing this entire trip is from Eunice K. I picked it up at a showroom and I love it. It's the cutest necklace, and it comes layered, so it's just one piece. Wow, it's raining. we're supposed to head to the dinner in like 30 minutes or so. I seriously feel like we've just been eating non-stop on this trip. You guys have to see this picture. So, you know, everybody looking grown and sexy, on their A game, and then where's Sophie and I? Zoom in.
Everybody.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.